right, hey guys. Today we're going to continue with our review of geometry, but our focus is going to be on transformations for today. So if you'll open to the first tab that says geometry. Yesterday we did this whole one about more geometry and statistics, so if you weren't here, please make sure you grab the foldable with your name on it from the front table. You'll need to get this information from a classmate at some point. And we'll go ahead and look at the geometry tab that was before that so that we can fill out this part of your foldable today. Okay? So, rigid is going to mean that they stay congruent, rigid transformations. Okay, we have a rotation, a translation, and a reflection. Okay, we're going to look at triangle ABC. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you are going to need to find the coordinates of the original triangle. So for A, it looks like that would be, let me maybe make the axes on here a little easier to see. Looks like that would be -6 and 2. For B, that's going to be -4 and 7. And for C, that's going to be -2, 2. All right, so for a rotation, this says a rotation of 180 degrees around the origin. So that means we're going to be moving 2 quadrants, okay? When we move 90 degrees, if you remember, we have to, so let's just make a note of this because this is something you're going to have to know. For 90 degrees, you have to flip X and Y and then check the quadrant. Okay, when we go 180 degrees, technically you're going 90 degrees twice, which would mean we flip twice. So the coordinates are actually going to be in the same order. We just have to think about what quadrant we're in. So we're starting in quadrant. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're starting in quadrant 1. We're going to end up in quadrant 4, where X is now going to be positive and Y is going to be negative. So that means for A prime, we're going to get 6, -2. B prime is going to be 4, -7. And C prime is going to be 2, -2. Okay? And then we can graph that based on what we have there. For translation, that is just a slide. Okay, this is a turn. This is a slide. So again, we're going to take the original coordinates. I would maybe make your axes a little darker. A is located at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, -7. B is at -3, -2. And C is at -1, -7. Okay, a translation is just a slide. This says to go 6 units up. Right 6 units, sorry. Right 6 units and up 3 units. So we're going to go right 6 units. Let's start with A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 3. 1, 2, 3. That's A prime. B prime, we're going to go right 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 3. 1, 2, 3. That's B prime. C again, we're going to go right 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 3. 1, 2, 3. That's C prime. So that should look like that. And we can record our new coordinates. So A prime is now located at 1, -1,